of your whatever IGT area 3 you have studied in your previous semester. In this semester, area 1 and 2, okay, IGT area 1 and 2, that is the syllabus for you people. Okay. In that, today what we'll do, I will just introduce you the syllabus, what we're going to study throughout this semester. And Harsha, if there are any interruptions, let me know. Okay. Okay.
No, sir.
Sorry. Okay. Just we will introduce our syllabus. Simultaneously, what I will do, we will just introduce the first chapter. Okay. That will be the whole thing. What we're going to do in this class. Okay. So if you remembered again in our previous, just give me a second, guys. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Who's this? Hello. Yes, guys. Guys, am I audible? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. What we'll do, okay, so in our previous semester, okay, in our previous semester in IGT area 3, what we have done, we have studied about this whole area. We have studied about India. We have studied about the neighboring countries of India, like we have studied about Nepal, Bhutan, okay, like Sri Lanka and Maldives. Those were the countries, okay, Asia and Australia's part, whatever it was, okay, Australia, New Zealand, such kind of a thing, okay. So that area 3 we have studied, okay, at area 3 part, okay. Again, for this semester, what we'll do again, we will study area 1 and area 2, okay. So when I talk about your area 1, okay, so it includes your North American continent, then South American continent, Europe part, okay, Europe, and Africa, and Middle East, okay. Middle East, there are few Asian continent countries, okay, don't get confused with that, okay. When I talk about area 3, ella Asian countries ella area 3 al bartav anta tilkobeಡ್ರಿ. There are few countries from your Asia, okay, they comes under your TC2, okay. So in total, area 1, TC1, TC2, TC3, it is same like your area 1, area 2, area 3. Okay, TC, it stands for your traffic conference. So in this semester, you will go to study the major countries from North American countries, North American continent, major countries from South American continent, then major countries from Europe, then major countries from Africa, okay, and major countries from Middle East, okay, Middle East, whatever I said, okay. So here you can see again, okay, hold this world and North America, South America, Europe, Africa, and this is black color, whatever you are going to see here, that is your Middle East part, okay. Traffic conference 1, that is area 1, okay, in that North America, Central America, that's same thing, okay. Yeah. If I go through with the module wise, okay, chapter wise, as usual, there are as usual, there are 5 modules we are having for this IGT area 1 and area 2, ITA area 1 and 2. When you come to the first module, guys, okay, first module, it is we have selected few of the important tourist important places from North America. Okay, although North American continent, it has 23 countries, we have selected only 4 countries. Okay, I have named them. Okay, only 4 countries for your whole study. Okay, so like major countries from your North American countries, that is geography and tourism of United States of America, that is your USA, that we're going to study. Then Canada we have added in this, then Mexico and Hawaii Island. Okay, Hawaii Island, although it is very small in the area wise, but due to its beautiful beaches, it attracts plenty of tourists. Okay, that's why we have selected Hawaii Island too in the North American continent, from North American continent. Okay, so from that first module, there are 4 contents: USA, Canada, Mexico, and Hawaii Island. Okay. Then when you move to the second chapter, okay, in second chapter, it contains the major countries from our South American continent. Okay, when I talk about again South American continent, okay, somewhere around it has 12 countries, but out of those 12 countries, I have added only 4 countries for your syllabi. Okay, so that is Brazil we will going to study. Okay, Argentina, Chile, and Peru. Okay, so these are 4 important countries from South American continent we will be studying throughout our semester. Then when you move to this third model, guys, third model, it is selected countries from the Europe. Again, believe me guys, Europe, it is filled with the prominent countries. Okay, so it is not possible to add all the countries. So what I have done here, I have added 5 countries. Okay, 5 countries from that European continent. Okay, so those 5 countries are United Kingdom, that is UK, London, whatever we say. Okay, then Germany we have added, Italy, very popular tourist destination. Okay, France, due to its Eiffel Tower. Then Spain. Okay, so United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, France, and Spain. Okay, so these 5 countries we will be going to study from this European continent. Okay, when you move to this fourth model, okay, Harsha or others, Padma, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay, in the fourth, okay, when you move to this fourth chapter, okay, here we have added the selected countries from the African continent. Okay, Africa and then Khanda adala. Adralagindu we have selected 6 because Africa is very huge continent, and simultaneously there are many prominent places we are having. Okay, and whenever I talk about Africa, guys, okay, African continent, I say, if you love your wildlife tourism, okay, if you love animals, if you love wild animals, such a thing, then Africa is the best continent to look around. And if you are having interest in this tribal communities, okay, to watch the tribal communities, or to see them, or to study the habit and the life of the tribal communities, then African continent is the best one. So from that African continent, again, there are 6 countries we have added. Okay, there are 2 major islands. Okay, Seychelles and Madagascar. These are island countries which are popular for its beaches, not for this wildlife and that thing. But Mauritius is also beach site, honeymoon destination. But this Egypt, Kenya, and South Africa, whatever I have added. Okay, South Africa, Kenya, and Egypt. These 3 countries which are very popular for this wildlife tourism. Okay, so that is the reason we have added these 3 countries. And these Mauritius, Seychelles, and Madagascar, these are popular beach destinations, as well as what I can say honeymoon destinations. Okay. Then when I move to the last chapter, guys, okay, last chapter, it is from the Middle East part, whatever I said. Okay. From the Middle East, I have selected the country called UAE, United Arab Emirates. Okay, United Arab Emirates. It not be a familiar country for you people, but when I talk about Dubai, you say yes, sir. I have heard this. Okay, so Dubai, it's not a country. Okay, many of us we get confused with Dubai, but it's a city, not a capital city too. Okay. Capital city of UAE, again, it's Abu Dhabi. Okay, Dubai, it's a very popular city from the UAE. Okay, so UAE is the one country which we have added here because of the Dubai. Main concentration of this UAE will be towards your Dubai and Abu Dhabi cities. Okay, then next one is the Turkey. Then again, when I talk about this Turkey, okay, this geographically it has few unique features. Like Turkey, it has divided into two of the continents. Okay, Turkey, western part of the Turkey, it is a part of your Europe. Then when I talk about the eastern part of the Turkey, it's a part of Asia. Okay, but when you talk about the area wise, TC wise, okay, or IATA area wise, it is under IATA area 2. Yeah. Then geography and tourism in Saudi Arabia. Okay, Saudi Arabia we will going to study, and finally Qatar. Okay, Doha, it's a beautiful city. About Doha city we will going to study. Okay, so that is about the brief glance. Okay, of what we will going to study throughout this semester. Okay, whatever time we will get in that. Okay. So today what I will do, I will start with the North America. Okay, North American continent. That is, from tomorrow onwards, we will start the chapter from this North American countries. Okay, United States of America, Canada, and Mexico, and Hawaii Islands. So, before entering into that continents chapters, what I have done, I have added the introduction. Hello, am I audible, guys? Guys,
Yes, sir.
okay, yeah, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So just today what we'll do, we will just study the introduction part of North American continent itself. Okay, we will select that North American continent, and we will study the political map of that continent, as well as we will study the positions. Okay, political geography of the North America will study. Okay, we will study. Yaar unmute madiri, mute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. Okay. Yeah. So when I talk about this North American continent
Sir,
itself.
your voice is breaking, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Check now. Just a minute. Check now. Now, am I audible? Guys.
It's clear, sir.
It's clear, right? Yeah. Thank you, buddy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. So when I talk about North America, guys, this is North American continent. It is the third largest continent whatever we are having, that we have to remember. Okay, and when I talk about again, when you come to the borders, okay, borders of that North American continent itself, towards the east of your North continent, I have added the image. Okay, I will show you that. Okay, towards the eastern part of North America, we are having this Atlantic Ocean. Okay, towards the east of your North American continent, and towards the west of North American continent, we are having the Pacific Ocean. So what I can say, majorly your North American continent, it is covered with Atlantic Ocean towards the east and Pacific Ocean towards the west. Okay. And this is what the total area of your North American continent itself, 24.70 million. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Breaking, sir.
guys, now. Guys, now.
Audible, sir.
Audible, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Screen ಕಾಣಲತ್ತಲ್ಲ? Okay. Okay. You can see my screen, right?
Your video is audible, visible, sir, but screen sharing.
Screen share ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ? I think it is shared one. Guys, can you check now? Guys, can you check now?
Yes, sir. It's visible, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so very important. What we have to remember here is, okay, Canada. Okay, whatever that is the capital city of your Canada. Canada is the largest country. Okay, by area from your North American continent. That we have to remember. Okay, because we have added Canada also in our study. Okay, so Canada is the largest country from North American continent, whatever we are having, and okay, so that is the largest one. Then we'll come to the smallest country of North American continent. That is the Saint Kitts and Nevis. Okay, Saint Kitts and Nevis. Okay, there are many Saint countries you will come across in this North America. Okay, the capital code Saint Kitts, Saint Lucia. Okay, like this. Okay, Saint Kitts and Nevis, that is the smallest country in North American continent, and Canada, that is the largest country from your North American continent in the area wise. Okay, when you talk about again population wise, okay, population wise largest populated country from North American continent, that is USA, United States of America, that is population wise largest. But when you talk about area wise, Canada is the largest one. Okay. Then, okay, in total, this is also number is also very important. In total, in your North American continent, there are 23 countries. 23 countries. Okay. Any doubts in this? Okay. This screen, it is very important from your exam point of view. What you have to remember. Okay. Guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, yeah. What I have done, okay, I have added
No doubt.
okay, yeah. What I have done, I have added your total, the list of 23 countries, buddies. Okay. Again, whatever 23 countries we have in that North American continent, we can divide that all those 23 countries into two parts. Okay, 10 and 13. 10 plus 13, which makes your 23. So when I talk about first 10, okay, so these are the countries, okay, which are situated in the mainland. Okay, so they are not the island parts. Okay, so in the mainland, we are having 10 countries. Okay, the names of those 10 countries along with their capital city I have added here. Okay, you can go through with this and make sure everyone will remember these 23 countries as well as their capital cities. Okay, the first one, Canada. The capital city is Ottawa. Second country which I have added here is United States of America. The capital city of that is Washington, D.C. Then third country which I have added here is Mexico. The Mexico City is the capital city. Belize is the fourth country which I have added, and the capital city is Belmopan. Then Guatemala, that is the fifth country I have added. Guatemala City is the capital city. Honduras. Okay, just listen the pronunciation, guys, because you have to memorize this. Here, Honduras and Tegucigalpa, that is the capital city. Then El Salvador, San Salvador is the capital city. Nicaragua is the country. Managua is the capital city of that. Then Costa Rica, San Jose, that is the capital city. Then Panama City. Okay, so these are the 10 countries, okay, which are attached to each other in the mainland. Okay, I will show you in the map. Okay, so yeah, this maps. Okay, can you able to see this map on your cell phones, on your laptops?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, those 10 countries which are in the mainland, okay, you can going to see here. Okay, so first country, which is the Greenland. Okay, so here the location is here, Greenland, that is one country. Second one is the Canada. Okay, so this is whole, okay, all these parts, okay, that is the Canada. Second country. The third country, okay, that is the United States of America, which is located just south to the Canada. And remember this, okay, so whatever the part here also you are seeing green part, okay, that is also part of your USA, United States of America. Okay. So Greenland is here, and let me clear, guys, let me make you clear. When I talk about Greenland, okay, Greenland, continent wise, Greenland, it is in the North American continent, continent wise. Okay, continent wise or your TC wise or area wise, whatever you say, that falls in the North American continent. But when you talk about the administration part, Okay, administration will be done by Europe. Okay, European. There is one country from Europe. I think Denmark. Okay, Danish people. They are having their what I can say somewhere that this area has been ruled by them. Okay, ನಂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗ ಅವಾಗ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ್ ಬಂದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ ಇನ್ನು ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ರೂಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. Okay, so this is Danish territory. But when we talk about continent wise and area wise, it is the part of North American continent. Okay, so Greenland is the one thing, then Canada, then United States of America. This part is also the western part of your Canada, whatever you are having, that is also United States of America's part. Okay, so just south of your United States of America, that is south of USA, you are having Mexico. Okay, Mexico is here, this part. Okay, when you come to south of Mexico, you are having few very tiny nations, guys, very tiny. Okay, I will start with Guatemala. Okay, this parrot color, whatever it is a Guatemala. Okay, but if you see the shape of this Guatemala, it looks like goat itself. Okay, Guatemala. Okay, Guatemala. Then towards the east part of your Guatemala, you are having Belize. Okay, Guatemala, Belize. Then El Salvador, this one, this part is El Salvador. Then towards the eastern part of your El Salvador, we are having Honduras. Okay, Honduras. Then towards the south of your El Salvador and Honduras, we are having Nicaragua. Then towards the south of your Nicaragua, Costa Rica is the country, and next one is the Panama. Okay, so Panama. And what we have to remember, guys, okay, Panama is the country, okay, which links your North American continent with your South American continent, or South American continent with North American continent. South American continent linta North American continent ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ by road, you have to cross this Panama. Okay. Okay. So Panama, in many of the major exams, they have asked these questions. Okay, which country connects your North American continent as well as your South American continent? We have to remember that Panama is the country which connects your North American continent as well as to the South American continent. Okay, so which makes Panama, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, Belize, Mexico, United States of America, Canada, and Greenland. Okay, so this is the 10 country list. Okay, count ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 1 2 3 4 okay 5 6 7 8 9 10 okay 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, I think, okay, where is the country list, whether they have added this Greenland, Canada. Okay, Greenland add ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. Okay, so again okay, just a minute. Okay, 11 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ಲ ಡ್ಯಾನಿಶ್ ಟೆರಿಟರಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ. Okay, it is what I can say, it is not independent country. Okay, it is dependent country, so they have not considered it under the country. Okay, ಸೊ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಡ್ಯಾನಿಶ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್ ನಂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಾಗ ಓದೋ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗ ಏರಿಯಾ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹಾಂಗ್ಕಾಂಗ್ ಮಕಾವ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಚೈನಾ ಅಂಡರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ತರ ಗ್ರೀನ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರೀನ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕೆನಡಾ 1, USA 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so these are what the 10 countries from North America with mainland. Okay, mainland bitre. Okay, again we are having 13 countries from your North American continent itself. ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಾನು, ಒಂದು mainland, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೆರಿಬಿಯನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೆರಿಬಿಯನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೆರಿಬಿಯನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಯಾಕಂತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, so here in the Caribbean countries we are having 13 countries. Okay, so the list I have added here along with their capital cities. Okay, just I will read for you. Okay, Antigua and Barbuda. Okay, Antigua and Barbuda. St. John's is the capital city of that. Bahamas we are having. Nassau is the capital city. Barbados we are having. Guys, what happened? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this meeting will end in 10 minutes. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So Barbados. Bridgetown is the capital city. Then Cuba, Havana is the capital city. Dominica, Rossau is the capital city. Dominican Republic. Don't get confused, huh? Dominica and Dominican Republic both are separate countries. Okay, Dominica is the separate. Dominican Republic is separate. Okay, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo is the capital city. Grenada, that is Saint George, and Haiti, Port-au-Prince. Then Jamaica, Kingston is the capital city. Saint Kitts and Nevis. Okay, as we know, what is the specialty of this Saint Kitts and Nevis, guys? Can anyone tell me? Hello. Guys, can anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the specialty of Saint Kitts and Nevis in North American continent? In the introduction part itself, I told you.
They are the smallest countries, sir.
Smallest country in North American continent, right? Very good, Appa. Very good. Okay. Yeah. So Saint Kitts and Nevis, then Bassett Ray. Okay, Bassett Ray is the capital city. Then Saint Lucia, then Castries is the capital city. Then Saint Vincent and Grenadines. Okay, that is the capital city again, Kingston. Then Trinidad and Tobago. Then Port of Spain, that is their capital city. Okay, so the Caribbean countries, these are 13. Okay, 13 plus your mainland 10 countries, which makes your 23 countries of your North American continent. Okay, here I have added a map of that your Caribbean countries. Okay, so again Caribbean and yak andru sari country galanna antandre, here you can say. Okay, can you able to see the screen, guys? Guys,
Yes, sir.
okay, yeah. So this whatever the countries we are having, Caribbean countries, okay, so they are somewhere located nearby your Caribbean Sea. Okay, so this part, whatever water body you are saying here, that is the Caribbean Sea. Okay, so that is the reason whatever the countries falls here in this area are called as Caribbean countries. Okay, Caribbean countries. So when you talk about the locations of these Caribbean 13 countries, okay, I will go with first. Okay, so Antigua and Barbuda. Okay, so these two islands. Okay, these two islands are the parts of your Antigua and Barbuda. Okay, very second. Okay, the Bahamas. Okay, so whatever these islands you are having. Okay, this is and what I can say, archipelago, whatever we say. Okay, archipelago, that's a place with plenty of islands. Okay, so this Bahamas, okay, all these small and big islands are the part of your the Bahamas. Okay, first one is the Antigua and Barbuda. Second country, it's the Bahamas. And third country I have added here, Barbados. Okay, Barbados, the location is here. Then where is for Cuba? Okay, so Cuba. Okay, Cuba, it is a fourth country. Okay, fifth Dominican Republic. Again sir, number ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ. Okay, ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 13 countries da, according to this list I have added these numbers. Okay, so this fifth one is Dominica, and where is the sixth? Okay, Dominican Republic. As I told you, this Dominica and Dominican Republic, oh my god. Okay, Dominica and Dominican Republic both are different countries. Okay, okay. And very seventh somewhere, yeah, Grenada. Grenada, the location is here, and this is
Canada.
Haiti. Yeah, it's not Canada, it's a Grenada. Okay,
Haiti.
yeah. Then your internet connection is unstable. Okay, Haiti. Okay, then
Yes, sir. Grenada.
ninth one, where it is ninth. Yeah, Jamaica. Okay, Jamaica is the ninth one. Then 10th one is Saint Kitts and Nevis. Okay, so this is a smallest country from your North American continent. Okay, then 11th Saint Lucia. Okay, and Saint Vincent and Grenadines, that is the 12th one. Okay, and 13th last one is Trinidad and Tobago. Okay, illo ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ what you have to remember again in Caribbean countries. ಈ ಕೆರೆಬಿಯನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ 13 ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಈ 13 ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆಂಟಿಲೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೆಸರ್ ಆಂಟಿಲೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ. ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆಂಟಿಲೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೆಸರ್ ಆಂಟಿಲೀಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯೂಬಾ, ಬಹಾಮಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜಮೈಕಾ, ಹೇಟಿ, ಡೊಮಿನಿಕನ್ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್, ಇವು Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you 5 countries are Dominican Republic, Haiti, Jamaica, Cuba, Bahamas. These countries are called as Greater Antilles. Greater antandre on ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅದ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು bigger in size. And whatever these countries you are seeing here, small countries, okay, including your Saint Lucia, Saint Kitts, Grenada, and you got Barbados, Dominica, Trinidad and Tobago. All these countries are called as Lesser Antilles. Okay, this is the Lesser Antilles part, and this is the Greater Antilles part. Okay, the size is bigger. Okay, so that is that's why they have called them as the Greater Antilles countries, and the size of these countries are small. That's why they have called it as Lesser Antilles. Okay, Greater Antilles and Lesser Antilles. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು Greater Antilles ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, Lesser Antilles ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು. Okay, so this is what I wanted to study in this class. Okay, so ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ questions ಹಾಕಿನ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ just answer me. Okay, the question is North American and South American continents, they fall under which area, which IATA area? Let me know that whether it is under IATA area 1, area 2, area 3. Yavado? Guys, can you hear me? Guys, Faisal, Jubair, Kirtana, Sharan, Vinay.
Yes, sir.
North American continent, South American continent. ಯಾವ ಏರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಐಟಾ ಏರಿಯಾ 1 2 3. ಐಟಾ ಏರಿಯಾ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೋ? Hello, just go through this map. Very well. ಮಕ್ಕಳುತ್ತೀರೇನು ಎಲ್ಲರ?
ಇಲ್ರಿ sir.
ಎಲ್ಲದ? This is IATA area 1, IATA area 2, IATA area 3. IATA area North America, South America. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ಲ. Okay. IATA area 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯುರೋಪ್, ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ. IATA area 3 ಇವರು ಏಷ್ಯಾ and ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ. Okay. Now tell me. North America and South America continents falls under which IATA area?
1. Okay.
IATA area 1. Okay.
1, sir.
Okay.
Very good. Then, which is the largest country from North America?
Canada.
Canada. Very good.
Okay.
Which is the smallest country in the North American continent?
Saint Kitts.
Saint Kitts and Nevis. Very good. Then last one. Okay. Second last. There are how many countries in the North American continent? 20, 21, 22, 23. How many? Come again.
23.
23. Very good. Last one. Cuba is the part of Greater Antilles. Am I right or wrong? Cuba is the part of Greater Antilles. Am I right or wrong? Cuba Greater Antilles ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, Lesser Antilles ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೋ? Guys, Greater Antilles, right? It means I am right. I am right? Okay. Cuba, it's a part of Greater Antilles. Thank you, guys. Okay, thank you. Just give me a second. So I will take your screenshot of your attendance. Okay. How many? Do one thing. Harsha.